Hey, what's up everybody? I'm in a 2018 Prius Prime. I'm going to be resetting the maintenance light. You're going to be using these arrows right here, and then the circle button in the center is going to be like your enter button. So I'm going to go ahead and put my camera up here. Alright, we're going to scroll. Just hit right, and you want to go to your vehicle settings. Hit enter, the center of a circle button. Go down to maintenance system. Oil maintenance, reset. You're gonna push enter, yes, reset complete. Now let me go back real quick. Just so say you go to this, sometimes it'll pull up a different menu. Okay, so say you hit enter and then you just see this. You're just gonna go down, and then the vehicle settings is on the bottom, and then you'll be able to get to this menu here. But that's how you reset your maintenance light. And all right, thanks for watching.